Me and Jen. We're up here this weekend, just a quick visit. We winterized the RV, which became a pain. I blew out the lines and tried to pump the antifreeze RV fluid through them. My water tank needs to have a lot of stuff in it to be able to pump it. But it is what it is. I think I got it. We'll probably come up a couple more times this fall and winter. The heater works good. We got the heater working. Everything works in the RV now. From the pain in the ass when we bought it, if you watched the RV video, with everything not working, even some things I'd even mention wasn't working. Everything runs now. Everything works. It's 100%. And it's a nice RV or travel trailer. Alright, so me and Jen are out here. Fall came and went so quickly. Last time we were up here was the best weekend to be up here. We returned and mostly all the leaves have already fallen. All the little shrubs and stuff that fill in between the trees died. We don't know where they went. They're just gone. They're not here anymore. But as you can see, a lot of the ferns, like over here, all ready to be blown away. So I'm gonna take a walk down to the creek, see what's going on, see if anybody's been messing around on the property. It's nice. Started to rain, so I gotta get this bird up there as quick as possible and see if I could crash it. No. So my drone that my daughter gave me for my birthday, I'm gonna give it a try. I have no idea what I'm doing. Need to fly. Let's fly. Record this somehow.